In our modern world, we crave self-understanding, searching for ways to make sense of who we are and how we fit into the world around us. The desire to know ourselves better is universal, cutting across age, culture, and background. Personality tests promise to decode our inner workings, offering a shortcut to self-awareness. With just a few clicks, we hope to unlock the secrets of our minds and hearts. From corporate workshops to online quizzes, systems like Myers-Briggs and the Enneagram offer us neat labels, INFJ Type 7, that feel like a user manual for the self. These codes seem to provide clarity in a world that often feels confusing and overwhelming. When a test result resonates, it's validating. It feels as if someone finally understands us, putting words to feelings we've struggled to express. Suddenly, quirks become strengths, and we feel seen. Our oddities are reframed as unique gifts, and we find comfort in knowing we're not alone. These frameworks give us language for our personalities, sparking self-discovery and deeper conversations with others. They help us connect, offering a shared vocabulary for our inner worlds. But the comfort of a label can quickly become a limitation. We risk boxing ourselves in, mistaking a snapshot for the whole story. True understanding is nuanced. It's more than a four-letter code. Our personalities are shaped by countless experiences, relationships, and dreams. The real journey begins after the test, when we reflect on our experiences and aspirations. Growth happens in the quiet moments of self-reflection, not just in the results page. The allure of personality tests is their simplicity, but our true beauty lies in complexity. We are ever-changing, shaped by the people we meet and the challenges we face. No test can fully capture who we are. Our identities are too rich, too layered to be summed up by a single code or type. The initial aha is just the start. Real transformation comes from curiosity, openness, and a willingness to keep exploring. What matters is how we use these insights to grow, to challenge ourselves, and to embrace change as we move forward. We are more than any code or type. Our stories, struggles, and triumphs make us unique. Our complexity is what makes us human, and that's something no test can ever define. Personality tests are snapshots, not sculptures. They capture who you are in a moment, not your entire story. Think of them as a single frame in a much longer film, a glimpse into your current self rather than a permanent label. Just as a photograph can't show every chapter of your life, a test can't define the full complexity of who you are or who you might become. Your personality is a living, changing garden, not a fixed statue. It grows, adapts, and sometimes surprises you with new blooms. The seeds you plant today, your habits, your choices, your experiences, shape the person you'll be tomorrow. These tests reveal tendencies, not certainties. They highlight patterns, but they don't predict your every move or limit your potential. Being labeled an introvert doesn't mean you can't lead or enjoy social events. It just points to your default settings. You might surprise yourself by thriving in situations you once avoided, or discovering new strengths as you grow. We all evolve. Life experiences, relationships, and choices shape us. Every milestone, every challenge, and every joy leaves its mark, gradually transforming who we are. A test from 5 years ago might not match who you are today. You've learned, adapted, and changed in ways you might not even notice until you look back. View results as mirrors, not verdicts. They reflect your present, not your entire journey. They reflect your current state, but you decide what comes next. The path forward is always yours to choose, and you can always change direction. The reflection is static. You are dynamic. You're not frozen in place. You're always moving, learning, and growing. Use the information as a tool, not a limit. Let it guide you, but never let it box you in or hold you back from new possibilities. Growth means stepping beyond your default patterns. Every step outside your comfort zone is a chance to rewrite your story. You are always in motion, always changing. Life is a journey, and you are the one steering the course. The test is a starting point, not your destiny. Your story is still being written, and every day is a new page. The danger of personality tests is using them as excuses. I'm just not good at conflict, or I can't lead because I'm introverted. Labels can become boxes, limiting our growth. When we let test results define us, we miss out on new skills and experiences. In relationships, blaming conflict on incompatible types can prevent real understanding. True growth means facing discomfort and choosing courage over comfort. Don't let a label dictate your future. Choose who you want to become. Use personality tests as tools for self-reflection, not as final answers. Ask yourself, where does this fit? Where doesn't it? Let the results highlight blind spots and areas for growth. In teams and relationships, use these frameworks to foster empathy, not to stereotype. The goal is understanding, not labeling. Your test result is just one chapter in your story. You are the author. Use insights to grow, not to limit yourself. Transformation comes from curiosity, not from static identity. Your personality isn't set in stone. Thanks to neuroplasticity, your brain is always capable of change and growth, no matter your age or background. Every day, you have the power to shape who you are and who you want to become. A test result is just a snapshot, not a prophecy. It doesn't define your destiny or put a ceiling on your potential. You are far more complex and dynamic than any label or score. Real growth comes from the choices you make, the effort you put in, and the experiences you seek out, not from a four-letter code or a single assessment. If a label points out a challenge, let it inspire you to develop new skills and push beyond your comfort zone. Use it as a starting point, not a finish line. You have the freedom to expand your identity, to explore new interests, and to write entirely new chapters in your life story. Personality tests can be cages that hold you back, or keys that unlock new possibilities. The choice is always yours to make. Celebrate your strengths, reflect on your challenges, and remember, no label can ever capture the full story of who you are. You are the author of your own story. Every page is yours to write, and who you become is truly up to you.